As an industry leader, Walker Products has evolved into a premier supplier of fuel delivery components, emission control products, engine sensors, ignition wire sets, ignition coils, and coil-on-plug boots. The ignition coil receives a signal from the distributor or engine control computer at the ideal time for combustion to occur and sends a high voltage pulse to the spark plug to ignite the air and fuel mixture in each cylinder. It's a vital component of efficient engine operation. Walker Products Thunder Spark ignition coils are precision manufactured from premium components and performance tested in an ISO IATF certified facility. They provide improved engine response and performance, lower emissions, better fuel economy, and longer service life. The range of products in our Thunder Spark Ignition Coil program for domestic and import vehicles includes can-style ignition coils, coil-on-plug, coil-near-plug, pencil, and cassette ignition coils. Our program offers hundreds of SKUs providing coverage on tens of thousands of import and domestic vehicles from the classics in the 1960s through present model years. Being in the forefront of new technologies, state-of-the-art engineering, automated manufacturing processes, along with great customer service, has made Walker Products your first choice in quality products. We're proud of our history and commitment to the automotive aftermarket.